guys, Da Nang Beach Hotel in Vietnam. And ito yung room namin. So it's a twin bed. And meron siyang serving bathroom. Definitely hot and cold yan. Towels. So maganda naman siya. And then meron siyang cabinet dito. Open cabinet. At pwede mong store yung malaki mong luggage. Kasya yung malaking luggage. May free water. Free tea. Pero sabi ni ate, yung mga nasa loob daw ng ref ay kailangan bayaran pag kinonsume. May designated workspace sila. And then, they got a mirror. So, pag makeup and everything, blower. And they got free fruits. So, wala tayong makikita sa labas, but they got a big window dito, so maganda, may mga papasok na light. Yes, so ito yung bedroom namin. Say hi!